This camp's been here for 2 years. The men, women, and children living here fled fighting in nearby provinces to the relative safety of Herat. But living conditions here are very basic.
We're living in these thin tents. No one helped us with proper tents, and no one's helping us with food and winter supplies.
There is no one representing ordinary people in peace talks with the Taliban, so how can those talks be successful? These people lost their family members, but no one even came to show sympathy for them.
Very cold and we are shaking because of the cold. We do not have anything to keep ourselves warm. People give us little time and little help.
If the US leaves, it will get even worse. Afghans are already killing each other. The Taliban killed 4 of my family members, including my husband and his brother. I fled my home with 4 children and came here.